I let them niggas know it's on for life. Don't let the west side ride the night. Bad boy murdered on wax and kill. Fuck with me and get your caps peeled. You know, see, grab your blocks when you see Tupac. Call the cops when you see Tupac. Who shot me but your pumps didn't finish. Now you're about to feel the wrath of a menace. Nigga, I hit him up. Check this out, you motherfuckers know what time.
Program. This is a national emergency. The President will appear shortly over the emergency broadcast system. All radio stations and television networks cease their programs during this alert. We interrupt this program. This is a national emergency. Will appear shortly over the emergency broadcast system. All radio stations and television networks cease their programs during this alert. We interrupt this program. This is a national emergency. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
Citizens of the United States. Deep down, we have always feared the worst in these tumultuous times. We have survived many threats and attacks in the past. However, one of the biggest fears is being realized right now. Nuclear missiles have been launched and are currently heading for the United States. We don't know who will be affected, but one thing is certain. There will be many lives lost. However, this does not mean we should lose hope. By taking some basic actions, we can persevere and emerge victorious. In order to achieve this, we need to prepare for what is ahead. Right now, I strongly encourage you to take the following actions. Get to an underground shelter and protect yourself. Cover your head and brace for potential impact. Once this is passed, stay inside until an all-clear signal is given. Follow the instructions and guidelines given by emergency management. Also, stay off of the phones. These lines should be kept open for emergency use. If you make an unnecessary phone call, you may be endangering someone who actually needs it. Most importantly, stay calm in this situation and respect your fellow man, as this is the only way we will survive. While we may be crippled by this attack, America will not be broken.
We seem to be encountering some technical difficulties. Please stand by. We seem to be encountering some technical difficulties.